What's up, guys? So today we're going to be showing you how to align your headlights to make sure they're not pointed up too high or to the left or the right. So first of all, you just want to pull your Jeep up against probably your garage door. That's probably the best bet, or any just straight up and down surface. And then they say you should be back 25 feet. I don't think I have quite 25 feet. I'm probably pretty close, but we're just going to try to get it just kind of close. So anyway, so we're going to take some painter's tape and we're going to pull the Jeep up as close as possible to the object, the flat object the lights are going to be on. And then all you're going to do is try to get it as close to the middle here. So this one's, move this guy over a little bit. You could get a straight edge or something to kind of help you out a little bit, but like I said, it's really, you could use your arm actually. That helps. Just use your arm. Like I said, not too critical. We're just gonna get it roughly good. Okay. So now we're just gonna pull the Jeep backwards here. Try to roll back as straight as possible. Here's where we're at. So it looks like we can go with this one down a little bit. Same with that one, down a little bit. And then just bring it down just a touch. So, but I'm going to be showing you guys how we do that with the little adjusters on the Jeep. Alrighty, guys. So it's the little adjusters here. It's, I believe, close to a T15. I got this little guy because this guy won't fit in there. So you see on your headlight bezels, there's these little notches kind of put into the bezel here. Those are where your adjusters are. So just simply stick the tool in there. Wait, sorry, it's cold. And then you're just going to twist. So this top right one controls the up and down or the angle of the light. This one controls left and right. So you're just gonna have to sit here, plug it in. It helps. I covered the other light with some objects just so it's a little easier just to adjust one light at a time. All right. So with these LEDs, they don't have like a really sharp cutoff, so they kind of spill over on top. So you're probably always going to have a little bit of spill up on top there, but that's just kind of what you have to deal with. So the other one, I'm going to adjust the left and right because it looks like I am aimed a little far to the left. The hot spot's a little far to the left, so we're going to try to bring it over to the right here. Alrighty, guys. So with my headlights, the beam is so wide that I did my best to get the hot spot roughly aligned with that and roughly aligned with that. Apparently you're supposed to get them like right there and then right there. But I'm definitely happy with the way this is set up. So I definitely have it low enough for the Jeep. And these things are really a pain in the butt. The adjusters are really a pain in the butt to get to. So that was just kind of annoying. So this took me a decent amount of time. So when you're struggling, it took me, a decent amount of time to kind of get this all set up. But anyway, guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.